Hi everyone, my name is Anmol Malvi and currently I am working as a data analyst. So I have started this video series in which I am discussing 100 questions for Microsoft DP-600 and I hope that using these questions you can learn more about Microsoft Fabric and score 900 plus marks. If you want to get access to all the questions, then you can purchase my Udemy course. In this course I have combined all the questions and you can find the discount coupon code in the description. And along with it, after you purchase the course, I will share the notes and additional questions as well as the case studies PDF. So do check it out. Now let's move to question 7. You are analyzing the data in a Fabric notebook and you have a Spark DataFrame assigned to a variable named df. You need to use the chart view in the notebook to explore the data manually. Which function should you run to make the data available in the chart view? Options are displayHTML, show, write and display. So these four functions are in options. So let's see what's the correct answer. The correct answer for the question is option D, which is display. So you can use the display function on data frames that created in PySpark and Scala on Spark DataFrame or resilient distributed datasets functions to produce the rich data frame table view and chart view. You can pause the video and go through the question 7 once again, and the correct answer for this is option D. That's all about question 7. I have also created a PDF for all these questions. So if you want to get this PDF, then you can reach out to me on LinkedIn. I will share the link in the description, or else you can purchase the Udemy course and get this PDF for free. So do let me know in case if you have any doubt. All the best for your exam. Thank you.